We're Enviro-Master. Not only are we the leaders in health and hygiene, but also facility services.
Enviro-Master's glass restoration program is called RPM. We restore glass to as close to as new as possible. We protect it to maintain that condition, and then we maintain it so it looks great forever. RPM from Enviro-Master makes your glass look like new.
Every customer needs their glass cleaned, right? We can bring the reliability back because we're here consistently, because we're coming in and maybe performing a sani service or providing a scrub already to the customer. We already have people coming to the location, so it just fits right into this business model.
For our RPM window service, our technicians are trained and certified in this very unique process where our end result is exceptional.
This is another proven process with the products and chemicals that we're using, and it just works hand in hand with what we're doing.
The way we clean your windows, the way we clean your restrooms, and the way we clean your sidewalks and dumpsters with our refresh service, no one does it the way we do it.
Enviro-Master, we protect, we clean. Your customer shows up and knows you care because of the way your property looks. Enviro-Master does that for you.
It's a great service, it's a great process, and we're reliable, we're trustworthy, and we're here for you. Going the extra mile.